Have you ever wondered how a child learns a language so easily? No grammar rules, no translation, no textbooks. Yet they become fluent. How? They listen and then they copy again and again and again. That natural process is exactly what we call shadowing. And today I am going to show you how this simple technique can completely transform your English and how you can start using it from today. Let's understand this deeply. When a child is born, they don't know any language, but they are constantly surrounded by sounds. Their parents talking, people communicating, voices, emotions, expressions. At first, they don't understand anything, but their brain is working silently. It is observing patterns, it is recognizing sounds, it is understanding rhythm. Then slowly they start copying. Small sounds, small attempts. They don't want to be perfect. They don't think, is this grammatically correct? They just speak. And that is the biggest reason why they learn so fast. Now compare this with how we try to learn English. We focus too much on grammar. We try to translate every sentence. We are afraid of making mistakes. And because of that, we hesitate. We understand English, but we can't speak fluently. So, what's the solution? Go back to the natural way of learning. Go back to shadowing. Now, let's see what exactly is shadowing. Shadowing means listen to English and repeating it immediately, almost at the same time as the speaker. Like an echo. You don't wait, you don't pause, you just follow the speaker's voice. Now you might be thinking, how can this help me? Let me explain. When you do shadowing regularly, first your pronunciation improves because you are copying the exact sound, the exact tone, the exact way of speaking. You are not guessing anymore. You are learning from real English. Second, your fluency increases because you are training your brain to respond quickly. No more long pauses, no more overthinking. Third, you start thinking in English. This is very important because when you shadow, you are not translating. You are directly connecting sound with meaning. And slowly, English becomes natural for you. Fourth, your confidence grows because you start realizing, and that belief changes everything. Now let's come to the most important part, how to actually do shadowing. I'll give you a simple step-by-step method. Step 1, choose the right audio. Don't start with fast movies. Choose a short clip, 30 to 60 seconds. It can be a YouTube video, a podcast, or even a simple dialogue. Make sure it is clear and easy to understand. Step 2. Just listen. Play the audio once or twice. Wait, don't speak right now. Just focus on understanding the flow, the tone, the rhythm. Let your brain observe it. Step 3. Start shadowing now. Now play the audio again and repeat along with the speaker. Don't wait, don't stop. Even if you miss some words, keep going. Remember, you are not trying to be perfect. You are trying to build flow. Step 4. Repeat. Practice the same audio at least 3 to 5 times. Each time you will feel more comfortable. Each time you will improve. Step 5. Final test. Now pause the audio and try to speak it on your own. This is where you see your progress. Just 10 to 15 minutes of this daily can do more for your English than hours of studying grammar. But yes, there are some common mistakes you should avoid. Don't choose very difficult content. Don't stop again and again. Don't focus too much on grammar while speaking, and most importantly, don't quit after 2 days. Consistency is the key. So start small, be regular, and trust the process. Let me tell you one powerful truth. You already learned one language in your life. Without grammar, without fear, you can learn English the same way. So from today, stop only learning English, start using English, start shadowing, because fluency doesn't come from thinking, it comes from practice. If you want, you can practice with me as well. You can shadow this video and start your practice today onwards. If you found this helpful, start your shadowing practice today and let me know your experience. And if you want more such practical techniques, make sure you stay connected. I'll meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy the process of learning.